So today I am going to get around to fixing the power and battery check switch on my very nice condition Canon F-1. This is the Canon F-1n, otherwise I call it the Generation 2 F-1. And anyway, that switch inside the contacts get dirty, and then your battery check and your meter won't work properly. So I'm going to attempt this little project today. So right in there, between that and that, is where you turn the button and you do a battery check. And then when you turn the switch on the back to the clockwise position, it makes contact way down, well, not way down, but right in here with this contact and another contact. And they get dirty, and they're very visibly corroded, not heavily so, but they're not nice shiny metal on the tips. And that's what has to be cleaned. Those two, and then down here, these two. Anyway, that's the top right inside of a Canon F-1 2nd gen. Okay, this is my Canon F-1 that I fixed the meter on yesterday. First we'll do a battery check. So with the camera set to ASA 100 and shutter speed at 2000, we should see the needle when I turn it to battery check come up to the index mark. Okay, so if we turn the camera on, we'll see the meter needle come up. So if I turn the camera on, we'll see the meter needle come up. And for this particular scene with Snoopy there, we are exposing at f4 at, what is that, a 30th of a second. And if we change our shutter speed, you'll see the needle move accordingly. Okay, going this way would be overexposing. Going this way is now underexposing. And it seems like the best combination is somewhere in and around a 60th, which is about as slow as I'd want to shoot that photo handheld. Oh, the F-1 shutter mechanism sounds good. You see that flicker from that LED? Wow. That's the problem with cheap LEDs for lighting. Oh yeah. If you're a camera geek, you know. If you know, you know. That's 2/1000 of a shutter speed. Let's go down to 250. Oh, didn't quite cocker all the way. Yeah.